Welcome everybody. This is a review of what we've been doing this year in Film Club. This was the first set of slides that we used to introduce our clubs. These are authored by Miss Hanson. The first thing that we did in Film Club is we made movie projectors. You use a shoebox and you make sure the inside of it is pretty dark and black and a magnifying glass. You can project your cell phone when you use this shoebox and make a projector. Afterward, we went through all of the genres that there are in film. We've studied documentaries, comedies, animation. That was one of our longer units, wherein we also made flip books. And we have studied shorts. That was part of our amateur filmmaking unit. The drama that we watched in our film club was a fantasy drama. It was called The Never-Ending Story. And we haven't actually covered musicals. We may do that after we've done some of our own amateur filmmaking as a club. So what I'll be doing is reviewing all of the slideshows that we have used in our film club and adding these to the YouTube channel so that parents or other interested individuals who want to know a little bit more about our film club and what we do on Fridays from 3:05 to 3:45 can see, can take a peek at, and can learn from. So thanks for reviewing this screencast, and next up we will have a short video link that'll show you where it is as well for Comedies.